I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming connectivity and app basics. Make sure your phone has a working internet link. Load a web page to verify. Once connected, force stop Google Maps, clear its cache, and reopen it to remove transient errors. Next, check for an app update in the store and install if present. Also enable device location services and set GPS to high accuracy, then verify Maps has permission to access location. These steps remove common startup issues quickly so you can proceed. Once the basics are done, move to deeper fixes. Reset app preferences or uninstall Google Maps updates to revert to a stable version, then reinstall. Make sure your device time, date, and region are correct and set to automatic, because mismatched certificates block services. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out conflicting apps, or sign into Maps on another device or account to isolate account versus device issues. These steps reveal whether the fault is app level, system level, or account-based, and guide the next. After narrowing the cause, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Google Maps, reboot your device, then install it again and sign in. If that fails and you've isolated the device as the source, consider a factory reset only after backing up photos, contacts, and app data. This is a last resort step. Finally, make sure Google Play services and Account Sync are functioning, and check Google service status for outages. If issues continue, note error messages and contact support with exact symptoms. That speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.